வாழ்க வையகம் வாழ்க வளமுடன். Welcome to our pharmacy. In today's pharmacy informative session, we are going to know about the procedure for filling the online application form for TN Pharm entrance examination. Tamil Nadu Pharm entrance examination 2021 and 2022 batch. Here, the first step is filling the online application form. We are going to discuss about the first step only. Okay, dear friends, dear student, this is the application form for Tamil Nadu Pharm entrance examination. This is online application form. So here I have clearly mentioned about the application form filling details. This is the model application form. So these details are model details only. So first and foremost, the name of the student should be entered in capital letters. If we are filling the application form in official, we have to fill the name, everything in capital letters. That is best. Then address should be entered same as like our permanent address in Aadhaar or anything. Then we have to mention the district name. So we can apply this through our mobile phone itself. Then date of birth. So the date of birth we have entered here, no, these date of birth and our 10th standard or plus 2 certificate date of birth, both should be similar. Then mother tongue, so we have to enter our mother tongue Tamil. Then after that, nationality, we have to enter the Indian. Then community, that should be selected. Then studied state, they have asked whether we have studied in Tamil Nadu or other state. So we have to mention Tamil Nadu. Then Pharm studied college. Our college name should be entered, RVS College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Sulur, Coimbatore. Then Pharm studied university. Here I have mentioned the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University. Then Pharm registration number. So 5617-50002 is the Ajit registration number. So I have mentioned his number for model purpose only. Okay. Then Pharm joined in which year? 2017. Number of years completed after passing Pharm as on 30/9/2021. So he has completed B Pharmacy in the year of 2021 August only. So he has no year of services, only 3-month experience. So I have mentioned 0 here. Then the service details, that is private service. He is not the government servant. That's why we have mentioned here private. Okay. So why they have asked the service here means for government service candidates some quota is available. That's why they have asked. If you are working under government sector, we can mention government service. Okay. Then the pin code number. So we had filled the address, no. For that, the pin code number should be entered here. Then state Tamil Nadu. Then gender male. Then religion. Then nativity. So as per our nativity certificate, if you are having Tamil Nadu nativity means you can get 100% chance for getting the seat. If other state students means we can't able to apply for this examination, because this Tamil Nadu Pharm entrance examination is being conducted especially for Tamil Nadu students. Okay. Then community certificate. Then caste code annexure in prospectus. So we have to refer the annexure. I mean the serial number should be referred and it should be entered in correct way. Then Pharm studied in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu. If we have studied the B Pharmacy in other states, you can mention the state name clearly. Then after that, number of appearance in Pharm final year examination. So if we have got single appearance means we have to write 1. For example, if you are having arrear means you have to mention 2. Okay. Then Pharm passed, month and year of passing Pharm. Recently passed means you have to mention the month and year. Then duration of Pharm course. You have started the B Pharmacy course in 2016 to 20 or 17 to 21. Okay, that year should be mentioned. Then after that, date of entry into service and number of years of service. These 2 column we need not to fill, because this column it has been clearly mentioned for government service candidates only. So dear friends, if you are working under government sector, you have to fill this column. Otherwise, if you are not having the service candidate quota means we should not fill this. Just enter the nil. Okay friends, this is the important section. Here they have mentioned B Pharm academic marks, all subjects put together. So that means in first year, here first year, second year, then third year and final year, then after that percentage it has been mentioned clearly. So in the first column we have to mention the total marks. I mean, we have to count the subjects and we have to count the maximum marks. These should be entered in the top column: first year, second year, third year and fourth year. If you are having the grade system, just you have to collect the mark statement from our college as well as our university. Then marks obtained should be entered in this column. Add all these marks, then total marks should be entered. Here for example, Ajit has got 3800 marks out of 4000, so 95% should be entered. Okay, then whether undergoing or completed M-Pharm. For example, some of the M-Pharm studying students also will be applying for this examination. So if you are not doing M-Pharm, you have to mention nil. Whether discontinued M-Pharm degree. So if you are discontinuing, you have to mention yes. If you are applying first time, nil. We have to enter nil. Then orthopedically, physically disabled category. So if suppose the candidates are having any physical disabilities, to mention that. For that the candidates should be referring the annexures. Then community certificate number should be referred from the community certificate. Then community certificate issued authority, so that should be referred from that community certificate. Okay, then community certificate, district and taluk, everything has been mentioned clearly in the certificate. Okay, already we filled that M-Pharm joining. I mean, before writing the Tamil Nadu M-Pharm entrance examination, somebody may have joined in any other colleges. So the discontinued date, if available, we can enter here. Then community certificate issued date of issuing, that should be referred from the community certificate. Then they have asked about the mobile number, then email ID, then password. So password should be entered while filling the online application. Then we have to re-enter the email ID and re-enter the password here. Then the photo should be uploaded from our device. Okay, then we have to choose the file. Then one declaration, it should be most important. I do hereby solemnly and sincerely affirm that the statement, marks and information furnished in my application form and in all the annexures thereto submitted by me are true. Should it, however, be found that any information furnished therein is untrue in particulars, I realize that I am liable for terminal prosecution and agree to forego my seat in the college if any stage. So just we have to give the promise and we have to save the document. Then after that we have to store the PDF file in our laptop or mobile phone. Then this should be taken in the printout form. That's all. That is the procedure for filling online application form for the Tamil Nadu M-Pharm entrance examination 2021-2022 batch. Okay, dear friends, dear students, this is the procedure for filling the online application form. அதாவது நம்ம தமிழ்நாடு M-Pharm entrance examinationக்கு அப்ளை பண்ணுற ப்ரொசீஜரில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் என்ன அப்படிங்கிறத பார்த்தோம். அதுக்கு அடுத்து ஃபர்தராக என்னென்ன ஸ்டெப்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத இன்னும் வரக்கூடிய வீடியோக்களை நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். நன்றி எல்லாருக்கும். ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ் ஃபார் யுவர் தமிழ்நாடு M-Pharm entrance examination. நல்லபடியாக ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி நல்ல எக்ஸாம் எழுதி எல்லாருமே குவாலிஃபை ஆகணும். எல்லாருமே கண்டிப்பாக குவாலிஃபை ஆகணும். வாழ்த்துக்கள். அனைவருக்கும் மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ.